So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are reacting to KSI's new song or single called Holiday. Official music video by KSI. Let's hope this doesn't get copyright or claimed by YouTube. Alright, so let's do this. I'm just gonna minimize out of OBS and let's do this. I hope it sounds good. It's gonna pick that up a bit there.
I wanna wake up every morning feeling better, cause I know you're sleeping by my side. And every moment we're together I remember just to keep it all for you and I see that body in the sunlight, feeling the heat and it feels right. I wanna do this for the rest of my life. Oh, I know, you know the vibe. I wanna stay with you every night. You and me underneath the lights. I'm always good when you're by my side. I know, you're on my mind. You really make me come alive. I wanna be here for the rest of my life. Looking for sun rays, needing them good days. Fly me away, away. You're my holiday. Cool like the ocean, lost in emotion. Find me away. You're my holiday. Whenever you're here, it's a good time. Strawberry shirts in the sunshine, ice cold drinks till the moonlight. You're my holiday.
Oh shit. God damn, this song is so good. Holy shit.
Whenever you're here, it's a good time. Strawberry shirts in the sunshine, ice cold drinks till the moonlight. You're my holiday. I wanna stay up till the morning with you talking, just to listen to the things you say. And every time we're in the middle of the city, I imagine us so far away. I see that body in the sunlight, feeling the heat and it feels right. I wanna do this for the rest of my life. Oh, I know, you're on my mind. You really make me come alive. I wanna be here for the rest of my life. Looking for sun rays, needing them good days. Fly me away. You're my holiday. Cool like the ocean, lost in emotion. Find me away. You're my holiday. Whenever you're here, it's a good time. Strawberry shirts in the sunshine, ice cold drinks till the moonlight. You're my holiday. Whenever you're here, it's a good time. Strawberry shirts in the sunshine, ice cold drinks till the moonlight. You're my holiday. You're my holiday.
I'm wondering, is that actually his girlfriend, or is it's just because of the music video? So I think it's an actor. I'm not sure.
You're my holiday.
Oh shit. Oh my,
Stefan och David
Shut the
använder
fuck up. Oh my god, this song was amazing. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I fucking love this song. I don't know what to say. KSI, I know you're not gonna see this, but good job, man. Bravo, man. Give yourself a pat on the back, man. That shit was amazing. Such a good song. Good job. And yeah, I really don't know what to say. It's like 2 in the morning. And I'm not really that tired, so I decided just to stay up. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Go subscribe to KSI or JJ Altunji, his second channel or main channel. I really don't know, man. This shit, I really don't know. But holy shit, that song sounded so good. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out. Cranks going offline.